Hydroponic farming is one of our best hopes to grow more food with less land. But to make it truly sustainable, the entire system must work in perfect harmony. In hydroponics, water is constantly recirculated. There's no soil to buffer impurities, so chloride, sodium, and other contaminants don't disappear. They accumulate, stay in the system, and grow over time. What starts small can gradually affect root health, system stability, and long-term performance. With decades of global hydroponic experience, Haifa develops fertilizers designed for recirculating systems, fully water-soluble, stable over time, near zero sodium, and near zero in chloride. That means clean solutions, no unwanted buildup, and systems that keep flowing smoothly. Every system is different. Crop, environment, water quality, all shape the nutrition strategy. Growers need precision they can rely on, day after day, continuously adjusted for stable, predictable results. Haifa, precision that grows.